Hey there, and welcome to this comprehensive guide on UI/UX design and JavaScript basics. Whether you're a beginner looking to dive into the world of design and development, or just brushing up on your skills, this video has got you covered. We'll start with the fundamentals of UI/UX design, and then transition into the basics of JavaScript, one of the most powerful languages in web development. So, grab your notepad and let's jump right in. Let's start with the foundation. UI and UX design. You might have heard these terms used interchangeably, but they are actually quite different. UI, or user interface, is all about the look and feel of an application or website. It includes elements like buttons, icons, typography, color schemes, and layouts. Essentially, UI design focuses on creating visually appealing and interactive components that users engage with. A good UI should be aesthetically pleasing, intuitive, and responsive. UX, or user experience, goes beyond visuals. It's about how users feel when interacting with a product. A great UX ensures that users can navigate a website or app effortlessly. It involves user research to understand behavior and pain points, wireframing and prototyping to plan layouts and interactions, and usability testing to improve the product before launch. A poor UX can lead to frustration and high bounce rates, which is why both UI and UX should work hand in hand. Before we move on to JavaScript, let's cover a few UI/UX best practices. Simplicity is key. Avoid clutter and keep designs clean. Consistency matters. Stick to a color palette and typography style. Responsive design. Ensure your UI looks great on all screen sizes. Accessibility. Consider users with disabilities by following WCAG guidelines. User feedback is crucial. Always iterate based on user testing. Now that we've covered design, let's jump into JavaScript, one of the core technologies behind modern web development. JavaScript, or JS, is a powerful scripting language used to make web pages interactive. Unlike HTML and CSS, which handle structure and design, JavaScript brings web pages to life by allowing dynamic content, animations, and real-time updates. Let's start with some basic syntax in JavaScript. Let and const are the preferred ways to declare variables. var is the older method, but is still found in legacy code. JavaScript supports multiple data types like numbers, strings, booleans, arrays, and objects. Functions allow us to write reusable code blocks. This function takes a name and returns a greeting message. Simple, right? JavaScript can detect user actions like clicks, key presses, and mouse movements. Loops help automate repetitive tasks, and conditions help us make decisions in code. Now that you know the basics of JavaScript, let's see how it works with UI/UX to create interactive web experiences. Here, JavaScript listens for a button click and toggles a CSS class to switch themes. This is how JavaScript enhances UI and UX. And there you have it, a complete introduction to UI/UX and JavaScript basics. Today, we learned the difference between UI and UX, UI/UX best practices, essential JavaScript concepts, and how JavaScript enhances UI/UX. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Also, let us know what topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!